Kangaroo. Seagull. Giraffe. Penguin. Bear. Deer. Frog. Bison. Pigeon. Rabbits, belonging to the family Leporidae, are small herbivorous mammals characterized by their endearing long ears, strong hind legs, and a fluffy tail. What sets rabbits apart from many animals is their remarkable reproductive capacity, with some species able to give birth to multiple litters of offspring in a single year. This prolific breeding has contributed to their reputation as symbols of fertility and abundance in various cultures. The history of rabbits is closely intertwined with human civilization. They were first domesticated by the Romans around 600 BC for their fur and meat. In the Middle Ages, rabbits were integral to European monastic communities for sustenance. However, their significance extends beyond practical uses. Rabbits appear in folklore, mythology, and literature as symbols of cunning and resourcefulness, as seen in the character of the White Rabbit in Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Rabbits have also played a role in scientific research, particularly in genetics. Gregor Mendel, the father of modern genetics, used rabbits to study hereditary traits in the 19th century, contributing to our understanding of inheritance patterns. Their unique characteristics include their prolific reproduction, significance in cultural symbolism, and their role in scientific exploration, making rabbits a multifaceted and intriguing species. To benefit more, subscribe. For watching, thanks.